Hello everybody, today I am making mofongo, smashed green plantains. Very delicious plate, very delicious um, food. When I went to Puerto Rico, this is one of the plates that really impacted me and stayed with me, and I just had to recreate it. So what we're going to be doing, I am using 1 pound of milanesa. You can also use any type of meat that you would like as long as it's very thin. And here are the ingredients. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be marinating my steak, and I'm going to be leaving it overnight, as this is a recipe that requires a 2-step procedure in order for us to get that delicious, flavorful dish that we want. So we're going to go ahead and marinate and just leave it overnight, and then I will see you back tomorrow. Okay, so it is time for our next step. I am going to be using 4 ripe plantains. I'm also going to be using pork skins. I am using Guerrero, and I'm also using Max, the spicy ones, and I'm also using garlic minced, butter, and adobo seasoning. I am going to be using my plantains ripe because I like my mofongo sweet and soft. Now you can also go with the green plantain. That will give you the more of a unripe, starchy potato texture and flavor. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and cut our plantains, and we are going to go ahead, and once we have cut them, we are going to go ahead and add them in cold water. So I have submerged my plantains into cold water, and I'm just going to leave them aside and finish the rest of the recipe. Okay, so our plantains have been in water for about 20 minutes. I am going to be mincing about 5 garlics to get them ready for the next step. And we're also going to be removing our plantains from the water and removing as much as water as possible from them. We're also going to be frying our plantains in vegetable oil for about 2 minutes each side. Okay, so our plantains are ready. We are going to go ahead and get ready to transfer them into our next step. So we are going to be using our garlic here, our seasoning, our salt, and our butter. I am using about half a cup of plantains, half a cup of pork skins. I am using a mix of Max and Guerrero. I'm also using 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of seasoning, and I am just going to sprinkle some salt on it. And I am going to be adding about 2 teaspoons of butter to our mix, and we're going to go ahead and smash our mixture.